Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the cards that sold on eBay on February 24th. As you can see on the screen, another great day. 29 orders for $349.94. So we'll go ahead and get into what sold. It's Coney Island, New York, General View of Dreamland Glitter. And if there's this glitter stuff on the card, I do my best to note that. Not sure if people can tell from the pictures that it's glitter or the mica, but like I said, I try to disclose it. $6.99 for that card. Easter greetings, chicks, colored eggs, tucks. A little bit of corner damage on that. There's the tucks information. $5.99 for that card. Paducah, Kentucky, launching barge, marine ways plant. When a ship is launched, it's called down the ways. And $7.99 for that card. Hollywood, Florida. This is actually Hollywood by the beach, or Hollywood by the sea, Florida, and it's a beach view. Judging by the background on this card, I've had this listed for 7+ years and sold for $6.99. This is Rhode Island. This is Warwick, Rhode Island, Artist Concept Airport Terminal Building. There's that. Again, any airplane or aviation cards you see under this store, it did not come from the big aviation buyout I just did. $5 best offer for this card. This is Thanksgiving Wishes, Turkeys in Woods, 1920s. $3.25 on a best offer. Next, Fenwick Island, Delaware. Aerial view, Fenwick Island, Delaware. Feels like I just sold one of these yesterday. But $8.49 for this card. Best card of the day. This is Art Nouveau 1906 artist sign Cosa, Paris, beautiful lady flowers. So nice, beautiful Art Nouveau card. I paid $6 for this at a store called the Archive, or Archives in, I think it's Lansdale, Pennsylvania. I might have a video on that, but I took a best offer. I think it was $65. I've had this up for almost 3 years now, so I was happy with $65. Actually, I think I sent the offer, so $65. Banner dual view greeting from Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. I took a best offer of $250. Actually, I countered with $250. I got a low ball offer of $150. Lady wanted to use these as something for her wedding. I usually don't fall for those sobbish type stories when people make low ball offers, but the card is kind of roached out, and if it's true, then I made her happy for a wedding day. So $250 for that card. These next few Virginia motels all went to the same buyer. This is Covington, Virginia, Tanglewood Motel. It's a multi-view linen, probably 1940s. $9.99. They got this one from Covington, Virginia, Tanglewood Motel, multi-views. So that one. And then this one from Covington, Virginia, Travelers Motel, multi-view, 1940s linen. So you can kind of see a pattern of what they collect. Also $9.99. So nice $30 order from that person. Next, this is Titusville, Florida, Bayview Hotel, overlooking Indian River. And that sold for $6.99. Buffalo Bill, Colonel William Frederick Cody portrait, and this sold for $6.99. Same buyer bought this one, Buffalo Bill Cody's Wild West Show, the Zouaves, I think that's how you pronounce it, soldiers. $9.99. This is Dyersburg, Tennessee, and this is the Plaza Court Motel. and that sold for $6.99. Next is a dual view banner greetings from Del Mar, California, beach scenes. Again, probably paid, I don't know, 15 cents per card. Got these in a big buyout one time of just banner view greetings. Another good sale here. Farming wagon pulled by exaggerated grasshoppers. Real photo. Conrad. So it's a Conrad real photo. Kind of roached out on the back there, but $20.19. Same buyer bought this one. It's a real photo of a kid riding an exaggerated grasshopper. And also $20.19. Next aerial view. This is Wichita Falls, Texas. Airplane view of city. 1920s or 30s. $9.74 for that card. Risque comic nude female hunters corny joke hunting bear. And this sold for $12.99. Just listed this not too awful long ago. It came from the York Postcard show. Paid average 80 cents for that. Same with this card. Laurel, Nebraska. Emmanuel it's a church. It's a freaking church that I can't pronounce. $19.99. Actually, best offer probably about 15, 16 bucks. Evangelical. Jesus. Scranton, Pennsylvania. Laurel Railroad Line Powerhouse pre-1908. There's this, and sold for $17.24. Chicago, Illinois. Greetings, prominent scenes of Chicago, 1940s. Sold this one a couple times. $5.99. Atlantic Beach, Florida. Homes along the ocean, 1940s. Took a best offer of $4.50 for that card. Next, another Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania aerial view. Three Rivers Stadium. Steelers, Pirates. Looks like a Steelers game going on. $2.49 for that card. Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Phillips Avenue, 1940 Street View. Lady made me a best offer. Realized I had two of them, and then redid the best offer to buy two of them, keep one, and give one to a friend. 5 and dime store. Another 5 and dime store by the looks of things. $5.99 for, actually it was a best offer of $4.75 each, so $9.50 for two cards. Next, Harpers Ferry, West Virginia, Bridge and Potomac River, 1914. And that sold for $7.99. Next, South Africa, Oost Lake Strand, East Beach, Caltex Oil Company ad. It's a mouthful. Looks like it was ripped out of something else. You can see some perforations. $9.74 for that card. Patriotic George Washington and Martha in Private Life. Sold a couple from this set just the other day, and I think the same buyer bought this one. $7.99. Next, Buffalo Bills Deadwood Stagecoach. And this actually went to a different buyer than who bought the other Buffalo Bill cards. $9.59. And the last card, this is Austin, Texas, Stephen Austin Hotel for a best offer of $5. So there we go. Nothing sold on HIP, and $3.49, call it $3.50 on eBay. Pretty good day. Okay, that's it. I thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great sales day.